I wrote a poem today. I was bored, so I wrote a poem. And here it is. Walking through a meadow of beans in the middle of spring, a man came across the most peculiar little thing. A quick little gopher moving across the land. On a mission, he did not care about the old man. It moved so fast, the old man saw double, and that's when he realized that little gopher would cause some trouble. This little gopher did not care much about tradition. He did what he thought was right and trusted his intuition. To the gopher, the man was much like a relic, and boy, did the gopher refuse to be generic. The old man had years of hard work, wisdom. He had built up many famous kingdoms. Both had a common goal to build the next big thing. The gopher went on to build the next Google, while the old man went on to build the next Bing. Both worked hard and tried to control their fate. Each one is necessary, and we all can appreciate. Both still had purpose and will be around for a while, because at the end of the day, we just care if they can compile. Let me know in the comment section below if you liked that poem. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will catch you guys on the next one.